Starting off with our burrito tortillas. Next, I'm coming in with 2 pounds of our cooked chicken, and this just is from rotisserie chicken, and we're gonna spread that out in our large pan with our tortillas. Beautiful. Now I have 1 bag of my medium cheddar cheese, and we're gonna sprinkle that right on top of our chicken. You can use whatever cheese you like, but this is the more traditional cheese for this flavor palette, a flavor palette that everyone loves and knows. Now I have 10 pieces of bacon that are cooked and cut, and we're just putting that right on top of our cheese and our chicken. Now I'm gonna come in with my favorite ingredient. We have our ranch dressing, and only the best, Ken's Steakhouse ranch dressing. If you know, you know. And we are gonna do a drizzle of our dressing. It doesn't need to be perfectly spread because we are gonna give this a little mix. I know, call me crazy. You can mix it in a bowl if you prefer, but you guys know that is not how I do things. All right, that looks great. Now to add some more creaminess, I do have some sour cream, and we're gonna use this whole container of sour cream. This is the 16 ounces, and if you don't like sour cream, you can use cream cheese, but you know, you don't need more cheese in this when you have all of that cheddar cheese. And we're just getting that right in there. Perfect. And if you thought that was enough ranch, you are severely wrong. We have our buttermilk chicken ranch seasoning, and we're gonna use this whole packet. The buttermilk chicken one is my favorite. You guys need to try it if you've never have, but this is just gonna really bring the punch and season everything nicely. Okay, time to come back in with that rubber spatula and get everything combined. Oh my goodness, all of those scents smell absolutely delicious. Now you can obviously cook your own chicken. You can make your own ranch dressing. You can use whatever seasoning you like. You kind of get the gist of everything. You can shred your own cheese, but this is gonna be delicious no matter how you do it because all of these flavors just complement each other so well. I think that the term for this flavor palette is called crack chicken because it is so good. It's like crack, but this is gonna be absolutely delicious in this form with our tortillas. So let's make sure we get this all mixed together. Okay, we are just making sure that we have this spread nice and even in our pan with these tortillas. You probably could do this on a sheet pan too, but I just like the extra room of the pan, but that looks great. I'm so excited. We're gonna come back in with our last tortilla. So we did use all 8 of our burrito tortillas. We're gonna put that right in the center, and then it is time to fold in the rest of our tortillas, just like so. Super easy, and it just sits nicely in our pan. Beautiful. Last but certainly not least, we're gonna just do a nice little butter wash. This will just help that tortilla get nice and brown and a little crispy. I mean, it is kind of like a crack chicken quesadilla, but family size. This will feed about 6 people because you can cut it into 6 pieces, serve it with a nice little salad or, you know, some garlic bread, whatever you want to serve this with. Everyone will love it, especially kids. All right, that looks great. Now this is gonna go into the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. All right, look how beautiful that browned up. It smells absolutely delicious. It is time to cut this. Oh yeah, so you know it is crispy. Get on underneath here. Oh my gosh, that looks so cheesy and delicious. Oh, I cannot wait to give this a try.
Is it good?
Wow. That is absolutely delicious. You guys are gonna love it.